green infrastructure to waste reduction and eco-friendly choices. These photographs aim to inspire both healthcare workers and the community to recognize that sustainability in health is health, and the planet is our patient too. Through the lens of our frontline workers, environmental stewards, and advocates for change, this exhibit serves as a powerful reminder that healing does not end in the four corners of a hospital. It extends to how we treat the earth, our shared home. These are the exhibit objectives. First is to raise awareness, to highlight the crucial link between planetary health and human health, and increase understanding of the environmental impact of the healthcare system. The second is to celebrate green initiatives, to showcase inspiring efforts, innovations, and practices by hospitals and healthcare workers that contribute to reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainability. Third is to encourage collective action, to motivate institutions and individuals alike to adopt greener practices and participate in climate action, whether through policy, practice, or personal choice. Fourth, to foster collaboration, to strengthen partnerships among health facilities by sharing ideas and best practices through visual storytelling and inter-hospital engagement. And finally, empower through art, to use the power of photography as a medium for advocacy, education, and transformation in the support of a healthier, more sustainable future for all of us. It is the hope of Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital that we are not only the only hospital or the only group of people taking care of our environment. Let us join together as we foster a healthier and a greener health system and health places. Thank you very much.